Bling bling. Hey, Christian with that diamond. Bling bling. Thank you so much, Shay and Christian. Guys, please go follow Shay and Christian. Christian, pop pop with those fireworks. Hey. Hey, I don't know, Bismarck. Whatever you like, my love. You're freaking amazing. Guys, please keep spamming the chat. Please do not let it die, guys. Phantom, go. I've been drinking rum and coke. Ooh. I got a song you can try, Walk on Water by 30 Seconds to Mars. I love 30 Seconds to Mars. Bismarck, pop, pop. Wi-Fi seems to be always acting up. Fabric softener. It's like that, but it's wash actually, like soap. Bismarck, pop, pop with those. They're freaking amazing. Hit that level 23. Oh, dang. Christian just hit that level 23. Bismarck hit that level 22. Pop, pop with those fireworks. Oh, okay. I see. Thanks, Alex. Wait for it. Bismarck. Steven. Those pictures though. Alright, video. Trippy with the fireworks! Pop pop! Hey! Jeremy, for real. I think I accidentally did. I don't even know what happened. Frank, thank you for the stars. Jeremy! Pop pop with those fireworks! Oh dang! Guys, please make sure you click on my YouTube and subscribe. Oh my god, Tion. Bismarck! Pop pop! Oh my god. I don't know what my favorite song is. There's too many to list. Elmer, thank you so much. Bismarck with that guitar. Oh dang, Bismarck, pop pop with those fireworks. Oh, you hit that level 20, Team Taylor. Yes. Dang, Alex. Bismarck, pop pop with those fireworks. So lit. Please, guys. Please. He is that top 2 gifter of the day. He is that top gifter of the week. Hey, Bismarck. Yes, right, Kev? Guys, if you send a purple diamond, I'll follow you back. Bismarck with that guitar. Bismarck with those fireworks. Pop, pop. Hey. Purple diamond, I'll follow you back. You get 3 entries in the giveaway. Oh my god. Bismarck, pop, pop with those fireworks. Thank you so much, Bismarck. You are amazing. And send those stars. Bye. Hey, what? 11K away.